Hey, what is going on everybody? Josh Quinones here. So if y'all remember, not too long ago I put out a video showing how you can use this camera hole punch out as basically your notification light, since Samsung did not give us the LED notification light coming from the S9 and S9 Plus. Well, there is now an official way that you can do this with an update that Samsung has given us. But before I show you guys, let me remind you that the giveaway for the Samsung Galaxy Buds is still going on. I will link the giveaway video down in the description below so you can know how to enter. Alright, so using this new official way to get the notification light around your camera hole punch out is actually very simple. All you got to do is download the Good Lock app, which I have here already downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded, all you do is go into your Galaxy store and then you can just search it, Good Lock 2019 or just Good Lock, and it'll pop up right there. I already have mine downloaded, so I will go right into it. Let me click right there and it takes me right into Good Lock. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is go down to family. So click on family and then you'll see edge lighting right there. As you can see, I got that installed. Let me go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see up here, I already have it set up for it to work. Now, what you're going to want to do to set it up that way is click on effect, and you're going to have all these effects. It's probably going to start you off on the basic effect right here. Now, this is basically just giving you the effect of the whole edge lighting, and there's tons to choose from. But if you want to specifically just use the camera hole punch out, you're going to go all the way to the right and click on Eclipse. And that's going to allow you to use the camera hole punch out as your notification light. Now from there, you can press color to change the colors if you want purple, green, yellow, or you can do any of these in between colors right here. I'll go ahead and leave it right there. Press done, and then you can change the duration of it as well. If you want it to be short, medium, or long. I'll go ahead and leave it on long and press done. And that's about it. It is all set up and ready to go. It is that simple. So let me go ahead and send myself a text message. Let me turn the screen off. I'm gonna send myself a text message and see if this works. All right, so I just text myself. So let's see if this works. And there you go. As you can see, the notification light around the camera punch hole works great, just as it is supposed to. So for those of you wanting an official way to be able to do this, like I said, it is simple. All you got to do, download the Good Lock app, go right into family, edge lighting, effect, Eclipse, and boom, you're ready to go. And then you can customize it from there however you want to. But that is it. It is that simple. If you like this video, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget about the giveaway for the Galaxy Buds. Like I said, I will link that video down in the description below. It was actually a case review video that I did, but the rules for the giveaway were in that video as well. So like I said, leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.